Bonjour mes amis! Welcome to Smart Learning Foreign Language, your go-to channel for mastering French easily. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Also, don't forget to like and share this video to help others learn French, and check out the description below for the best French books and dictionaries at discounted prices. Today, we're learning about l'impératif in French grammar, the command form of verbs. This is super important because it helps you give orders, make requests, and offer advice in daily conversations. Let's get started. The imperative is used when we want to give commands like listen, écoute, give instructions such as take a seat, prendre une chaise, make suggestions, for example, let's go, allons-y. Unlike other tenses, the imperative form has no subject pronoun like tu, nous, or vous. Let's see how it works with some important French verbs. First, let's learn two must-know verbs. Être, to be, and avoir, to have. Être, to be, tu, sois patient, be patient. Nous, soyons calmes, let's be calm. Vous, soyez prudent, be careful. Avoir, to have. Tu, aie confiance, have confidence. Nous, ayons du courage, let's have courage. Vous, ayez de la patience, have patience. Tip: these verbs are irregular, so memorize them well. Next, we have some powerful verbs that you'll use all the time. Pouvoir, can vouloir, want, and savoir, know. Pouvoir, to be able, to jat can. Imperative form is rarely used, but you can say puisses-tu réussir, may you succeed. Vouloir, to want, veuille patienter un instant. Please wait a moment. Formal, veuillez entrer. Please enter. Polite request. Savoir, to know, sache que je suis là pour toi. Know that I am here for you. Sachons rester calmes. Let's stay calm. Sachez que c'est important. Know that this is important. Now, let's look at some everyday verbs that are super useful in commands. Parler, to speak. 2. Parler plus fort, speak louder. Now, parlons en français. Let's speak in French. Vous. Parlez lentement, speak slowly. Donner, to give. Donne-moi ça. Give me that. Donnons un cadeau. Let's give a gift. Donnez-moi votre avis. Give me your opinion. Manger, to eat. Mange tes légumes. Eat your vegetables. Mangeons ensemble. Let's eat together. Mangez bien. Eat well. Déjeuner, to have lunch. Déjeune avec nous, have lunch with us. Prendre, to take. Prends un café, take a coffee. Prenons le train, let's take the train. Prenez une pause, take a break. Comprendre, to understand. Comprends la leçon, understand the lesson. Aller, to go, va à l'école. Go to school, allons-y. Let's go, allez vite. Go quickly. Venir, to come. Viens ici. Come here. Venons ensemble. Let's come together. Venez maintenant. Come now. Great job. Now you know how to use the imperative with some of the most important French verbs. To keep improving your French, subscribe to Smart Learning Foreign Language and press the bell button to get updates first. Don't forget to like and share this lesson with your friends. Check the description for links to the best French books and dictionaries at discounted prices to boost your learning. Merci beaucoup et à bientôt.